Hi. Welcome to Cooking with Kakashi. I'm Kakashi. We're not talking about me today, though. We're talking about Orochimaru and his favorite food. Who's Orochimaru? Only one of the 3 legendary Sannin, an evil mastermind genius, and a close personal friend of mine. Well, then enemy, and then friend again. And now I don't know where we stand. Anyway, Orochimaru's favorite food. We're gonna make it right now. But first, what is it? Should I do one of those, like, wait till the end of the video to tell you? No, stop. Orochimaru's favorite food is eggs. Particularly like soft or hard-boiled eggs. Not that exciting, I know. But you know what? This isn't a waste. Let's go learn something useful. We're gonna make the perfect soft-boiled eggs. Step 1, come over to the stovetop. Eggs, pot. Let's fill this with water. You know how sometimes it's hard to peel eggs? The shell sticks to the egg and it ruins it? Well, we're gonna prevent that from happening. Back on the stovetop, we're gonna bring this up to a boil first. Why? If you put the eggs in while the water's cold, they cook slower. If they cook slower, the whites tend to stick to the shell more. Once the water's boiling, we're gonna add a tablespoon of white vinegar and a tablespoon of salt. But why? This is gonna make the eggs easier to peel. Salt and vinegar both soften the eggshell when boiling. If any cracks form in the egg, the salt will coagulate the egg white faster so there's not as much of a leak. Boop. Let's throw our eggs in. I'm gonna do 6. We're gonna do 6 minutes. Done. Take these over, throw them down, and we're gonna transfer these to an ice bath. Efficiency. Whoop. And we're gonna let these guys sit for 15 minutes. It's important that you let them sit for this long. Not only does it stop the cooking process, but it also helps the egg whites separate from the membrane. So like, just do other stuff for 15 minutes. Hey, you could watch a JMX Amateur Kitchen video. Good idea. Nice. Time's up, cutting board, and let's peel some eggs. It's a method I learned from my mom. Mom shout out. Tap the egg, and then roll. Now you got all these mini cracks. Then all we gotta do is peel. Look at that. Look how easy that is. Look at this. It's so easy. Boom. Bam. Let's do the rest. And so why are eggs Orochimaru's favorite food? There are basically 2 trains of thought. 1, this dude's a mad scientist. He devotes all of his time to research. He doesn't have time to make a big meal. So instead he's got a soft-boiled egg in one hand, and the other hand he's manipulating human cells. Or theory 2, Orochimaru is a part of the snake family. What do snakes do when they infiltrate a nest? They eat the eggs. Soft-boiled eggs. That's right. Good job. All right, let's clean up and let's cut one of these guys open. And check that out. Perfectly runny yolk, but cooked egg white. We're gonna save the rest of these for our last Naruto recipe. It's going to be the most intense recipe we've ever done on this channel. If you wanna see it, subscribe. Hit that little bell for notifications. This was Orochimaru's favorite food. Easy peel, soft-boiled eggs. Ooh, and one more thing. Thank you guys.